Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video we'll learn about the division of algebraic expression. So let's get started. So first we will divide a monomial by a monomial. Let's take one example here. For example, divide 36a raised to power 7 by negative 12 a raised to power 2. So we can write this, so for this we know we can write this as 36 a raised to power 7 divided by negative 12 a raised to power 2, which is equal to 36 a raised to power 7 divided by 12 negative a raised to power 2. We'll separate the numerical coefficient and literal coefficient. Here 36 divided by 12, negative sign will come here, and here I will write a raised to power 7 a raised to power 2, which will become, this will become 12, 3, negative 3, 3 a raised to power 7 minus 2. So here I am using this exponent rule. A raised to power m divided by a raised to power n always equal to a raised to power m negative n. So this will become negative 3 a raised to power become a raised to power 7 minus 2, which is equal to 5, and this is my answer. The second type of division here is dividing a polynomial by a monomial. So here, for example, if I take this example, divide a raised to power 5 negative 6 a raised to power 2 by 3a. So here what we have to do, we can write this a raised to power 5 negative 6 a raised to power 2 divided by 3a. Here this is monomial and this is polynomial. So here what we have to do, we have to divide each term of this polynomial by this monomial. So we can write this as a raised to power 4 divided by 3a. Which sign is here? Negative. I'll put negative as it is, and 6a square divided by 3a. So now we will divide. Here we do not have numerical coefficient, so I can write like this 1 by 3 and separate this literal coefficient a negative 6 divided by 3 a raised to power 2a. So it will become 1 by 3 a raised to power 5 minus 1, which is equal to 4, negative, this will become 2, and this will become a raised to power 2 minus 1, which is equal to 1, and this is my answer here. So third type of question, we have dividing a polynomial by a polynomial. The dividing a polynomial by a polynomial is little bit tricky and tough as compared to dividing a polynomial by a monomial or monomial by a monomial. Let's get started, and first I will take easy question, and after that we will do hard questions. So first question here I am taking x square plus 11x plus 30 by x plus 6. So we know this is dividend and this is our divisor. So we can write this as this x square plus 11x plus 30, and x divisor I will write here. So first thing what we have to do, we have to see here we have x square and here we have x. So we have to divide this x square by this x. So we will get, if I divide x square by x, I will get x. So it will become x. So after that what I have to do, I have to multiply this x with all the terms of this divisor. So first I will multiply this x with x. So it will become x square, I'll write here. Next, what sign is here? Plus sign. I put plus sign, and I have to multiply this x with 6. So this will become 6x. After that I have to subtract everything. So I'll put subtract minus sign here, and here also negative sign will come. So first x square minus x square, they will get cancelled. So here 11 minus 6x. So it will become 5x. After that I will write this 30 with its sign here plus 30. So next what you have to see, we have to see that here it is 5x and here x. So I have, now again here we have to repeat this step. So here we have 5x and here we have x. Now divide this 5x with x. What we'll get? We'll get 5. So what sign we'll get here? Plus 5. And after that what we have to do? We have to multiply this 5 with all the terms of So here again I have to divide this 24a with 8a. So I will get 3. So plus 3. So it will become positive 3. So after that I have to multiply this 3 with all the terms of this divisor. So first 8a multiply by 3. So it will become 24a. Next negative 3 with 3. I will get negative 9. So after that I have to subtract. And this will become negative sign here because positive is there. And this is negative. This will become positive sign. So everything will get cancelled with each other. I will get 0 answer. So my answer here is 2a square minus 5a plus 3. And you can verify your answer by multiplying this answer with this divisor. Let's take one more example. Little hard one. Divide a square minus 2a cube minus 7a square plus 8a plus 12 by a square minus a minus 6. So here first we'll write like this. A raised to power 4 minus 2a cube minus 7a square plus 8a plus 12. And my divisor will come here. A square minus a minus 6. So here what we have to do first? First we will divide this first term of this algebraic expression with first term of this. So a raised to power 4 divided by a square. I will get a square here. After that I have to multiply this a square with all the terms of this divisor. So it will become first a square multiply by this a square multiply by this a square. I will get a raised to power 4. Next negative a multiply by a square. I will get a cube. Next negative 6 multiply by a square. I will get negative 6a square. After that we have to subtract. So negative sign will come here because here positive. Here this is negative and I will get plus sign. Here this is negative. Here I will get plus sign. So this and this will get cancelled. After that minus 2a cube plus a cube. So I will get negative a cube. Here negative 7a square plus 6a square. I will get negative a square. So again I will take this 8a down. So here again I have to divide this negative a cube with a square. I will get a negative a. So after that I have to multiply all the terms of divisor with this negative a. I will get negative first term a square multiply by negative a. I will get a cube negative. So next negative a multiply by negative a. I will get plus a square. Next negative 6 multiply by negative a. I will get plus 6a. After that we have to subtract everything. So here subtract. If I put negative sign here, so this negative and this is also negative, I will get plus sign. This is negative, this is plus, I will get negative sign. This is negative, here this is positive, I will get negative sign here. So subtract everything. Now this a square, this a square is a cube, sorry, this a cube is negative, I will get, they will get cancelled. Now negative a square, this will become negative 2a square. So this is 8a negative 6a. I will have to subtract 8a from this 6a 2a. After that last I will take this 12 down like this. So again I have to subtract negative 2a, sorry, divide negative 2a with this a square. So I will get negative 2. I'll write here. Now I have to multiply all the terms of this divisor with negative 2. I will first term a square negative 2. I will get 2a square. Negative a multiply by negative 2. I will get plus 2a. Negative 6 multiply by negative 2. I will get plus 12. After that subtract everything. So here negative sign is coming. Here I'll put this negative sign will get changed to plus, and this plus sign will get changed to negative, and this also become negative. So this will get cancelled, this will also get cancelled, and this will also get cancelled. I will get 0 over here. So my answer here is a square minus a and minus 2. This is my answer. So in this video we have learned about the division of a monomial by a monomial, division of a polynomial by a monomial, and division of a polynomial by a polynomial. Thank you everyone for watching my video.